Hello, hello, hello. Do you guys remember this song? A rock in the treetop all day long, hopping and a bopping and a singing my song. All the little birdies on the Jaybird Street love to hear the robins go tweet, 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 rockin' robin. Hello. Oh, Michael Jackson. He was supposed to be another one of my husbands besides Rick James. I know. But anyway, happy Wednesday, you guys. We are winding down this year. Yay! Looking forward to next year. I hope you guys have mapped out and made plans how to expand your channel, your business, your product, so you can go into the new year with a vision and a plan. But anyway, I first want to thank all of my new subscribers. Thank you. I want to thank all of my ride or die subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And yes, I know, everybody cooked black-eyed peas for the new year. It's supposed to be a sign of good luck. I don't know what happened with them black-eyed peas for 2020, but I'm just saying. But yes, I'm going to do black-eyed peas. I'm going to stay with your tradition. But as Mrs. O said, we're going to vamp it up. We're going to take it to another level. So today, very easy, very simple recipe. We've cooked for Thanksgiving, we've cooked for Christmas, and we don't want all these complicated dishes. So I am going to do a black-eyed pea Boudin cornbread. Yes, you heard me right. So all you have to do is get them greens on, baby, or some string beans or some spinach, and everything else is in the cornbread. But with that being said, let's get this train on the tracks. Let's get started. Okay, let's get started with the ingredients. We have 3 eggs here. I have 12 ounces of Cajun style Boudin, which we're going to open up and remove the meat out of the casing. We ain't cooking no homemade cornbread either. I have a package of corn kits, which is my favorite. I have 1 box of Jiffy corn muffin mix. And the reason I'm mixing the two, I don't like really sweet cornbread. If you use the Jiffy by itself, for me, it's too sweet. Corn kits are not sweet, so it balances it out, which tastes so delicious. I have 1 can of Bush's black-eyed peas, which we're going to drain the juice off and rinse them off. And of course, for cornbread, you have to have milk and you have to have oil. Now you see how simple this is? We're just gonna take the Boudin out the casing, rinse the black-eyed peas off, and mix it all with the cornbread mix, and voila, we're done. But the taste is gonna be awesome. All right, let's get started. All right, everything is in the bowl, which I did add 2 additional ingredients, which will be in the description box below. And that was a tablespoon of sour cream and a teaspoon and a half of dried parsley. But you can see the black-eyed peas. Sorry, the spoon is in the way. And you can see the Boudin, which I crumbled up once I removed from the casing. And I normally don't ever measure the milk, but for this recipe I will. So I will come back and tell you how much milk I used. Also, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. I am using a 9x13 dish. It's a Pyrex dish, but you can use a cast iron skillet, and that would be fine. But what I like to do also, I put a tablespoon of oil in the dish and I spreaded it out, and I like to heat it up 5 minutes before I pour the batter in. for some reason, the edges rise really nicely and it gives it a great presentation. But I'll come back and show you once everything is mixed up. Hope you guys can see that. All right. Okay, here is the mixture, and I used 1 1/4 cup of milk. So what I'm going to do now is pour it into this baking dish, and we're going to bake it probably anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour. But I will let you know how long it took for my oven to bake this. But you see all those nice chunks of boudin in it? Oh yeah. This is going to be one delicious cornbread. All right, in the oven it goes. But I wanted to show you something. You see how when I tell you if you heat your pan up, you see how it rises among the edges? You see that? Mm-hmm. And when it bakes, it's going to be so beautiful. All right, see you in about an hour. Okay, Raw family, here is the finished presentation of the Blackeye pea Boudin cornbread. I mean, I can't even find words for it, you guys. I cannot believe that I thought about this recipe. It tastes like cornbread that you've put in your black eyed peas with the juice, and you have little pieces of meat in it. I want you to see that. Can you see the black eyed pea? Let me show you. If you get you some greens, potato salad, you are good to go. All right, let me show you this. Come on, focus. You see the black eyed peas in there? Do you see the boudin? When I tell you winner, winner, black eyed pea, boudin dinner, I promise you guys again, if you try this recipe, it will knock your socks off. Okay, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite so you can see further on the inside. Just don't make no sense, you guys. It just don't, it just don't. Anyway, I hope you guys have a blessed, safe New Year's Day. And just start to think about your year for 2020 and what your plans are. But again, black eyed pea, boudin cornbread. God bless you, and I will see you after the new year.